Happy Mother's Day messages. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for everything you have done for us. It's more than we can ever repay you. I love you and wish you the best Mother's Day. Wishing you a calm and relaxing Mother's Day. You deserve to be pampered. Thank you for every hug, word of encouragement, and acts of love you have given me. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for always being the shining example of what I wanted to be like when I grew up. Thank you for laughing with us in the best of times and sticking with us through the worst of times. What would we do without you? Funny Mother's Day messages. Raising me took a lot of patience and strength. Thanks for hanging in there. To Mom, with love from your favorite child. Sorry if I drove you crazy. I only did it because I love you. Thanks for putting up with us. We love you like crazy. Thank you for being the only mother in the world who would love a crazy child like me. Happy Mother's Day. I promise today I will pick up my room maybe. I wanted to get you something special this Mother's Day, so I decided to give you some peace and quiet. Mother's Day is every day when you have a gift of a child like me. Happy Mother's Day and thank you for your service. We salute you. Happy Mother's Day. We would not be here if it was not for you, literally. Mother's Day messages for Grandma. Happy Mother's Day, Grandma. We all love you so much. Happy Mother's Day to our mattress. Thank you for all the love and work you put into this family. Happy Mother's Day. Sorry you had to put up with for so long. Love you, Grandma. Hope you are surrounded by family this Mother's Day. It is too bad they don't have a Grandmother's Day. That way we did have 2 days a year to celebrate all that you do. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Gram. Thanks for always spoiling me and sneaking me cookies. Mother's Day messages from husband or partner. How did I get so lucky in marrying you? You continue to inspire this family every day. We love you. Happy Mother's Day to a woman who truly does it all. I love you so much. Thank you for everything you do for us. Happy Mother's Day to the best mother and wife in the world. What would we all do without you? Thanks for making home the happiest place to be. Happy Mother's Day. We all love you like crazy and feel so blessed to have you. Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day messages from daughter. Happy Mother's Day. to the woman who raised me into the strong, independent woman I am today. I love you to the moon and back, Mom. Thank you for always inspiring me to live, love, and laugh. Happy Mother's Day to the best mom in the world. I'll always cherish our movie nights, cooking experiments, and laughter. You are the best listener, the best cook, the best friend, the best mom I could ever ask for. Happy Mother's Day. Every day I feel so lucky to call you my mom. Enjoy it today. You deserve it. Happy Mother's Day to the best role model I could have ever asked for. Mother's Day messages from Sun. With love from the luckiest son in the world. You are my one and only mom, and I will always have a special place in my heart for you. Happy Mother's Day. I am so proud to be your son. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to the woman who raised me into the man I am today. Love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Couldn't do it all without you. Mom, from feeding and clothing me to loving me in the tough times to helping me succeed in my goals, I owe it all to you. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.